How to fix 2010 Ford Fusion electric power steering. First, check for power steering assist fault message. Common signs include heavy steering wheel, steering suddenly harder to turn, warning light on dashboard, and power steering assist fault message. Second, restart the car first. Sometimes the EPS system glitches temporarily. Turn the car off, wait about 1 minute, restart the engine, and then turn the wheel left and right. If the steering comes back temporarily, the issue is usually electrical. Third, check the battery and charging system. Low voltage commonly causes EPS problems. You should check battery terminals, battery voltage, and alternator charging. A weak battery can disable electric steering assist. Fourth, scan for trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner capable of reading steering modules. These are the common codes that should show up, and these codes help identify whether the steering rack, module, or wiring failed. Fifth, inspect the steering rack connections. The 2010 Fusion commonly has loose connectors, corroded wiring, and failed electric steering rack. Check the electrical connector on the steering rack for damage or moisture. And last, reset the system after repairs. After fixing the issue, clear fault codes, restart the vehicle, test drive carefully, and verify steering assist returns normally. If the steering still cuts out randomly, the rack itself is often the failed component. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.